Hi friends, welcome to Tips from Stella. Olive oil is not just oil for cooking and boosting health, it also has plenty of benefits for beauty and home care. It is best to always pick out organic extra virgin oil for both internal and external uses for the body. Let's head on to the various many ways you can use your olive oil besides culinary and health. Number 1, as a skin moisturizer. Due to its vitamin E content, olive oil is a great antioxidant and moisturizer for the skin. In fact, it is all you may ever need to have a soft, moist skin. It is best to use it on a damp skin right after the shower, and it is great to use from hair to toe. It stays on the skin for long and it is also non-sticky. If you have a dry skin, apply it as often as you need to. You can also add olive oil to your bath water for beautiful skin. In addition, olive oil may help fight against eczema. Number 2, to prevent skin wrinkles. Olive oil contains antioxidants and good fats and so helps to improve skin elasticity and regeneration, and is therefore a good treatment for preventing and also for rejuvenating loose, sagging skin. Apply olive oil around your eyes or face every night to keep away wrinkles and to maintain a young, glowing skin. Number 3, use it as a cleanser and a makeup remover. Olive oil can be used for cleansing out impurities from the skin, including makeup. This is the oil cleansing technique, and it is also great for maintaining a clear skin and fighting against acne. Number 4, as a substitute for shaving cream, slather some olive oil to the area before shaving. This will also help to prevent razor bumps. It can be used on all body areas for shaving, including the face, armpits, bikini area, and the legs. Number 5, as a lip moisturizer. Olive oil can be applied as it is, or even use it in making your own lip balm by mixing it with melted beeswax in a ratio of 1:1. You can add some drops of essential oil like tangerine, orange, lemon, vanilla, rose, peppermint, among others. Number 6, to prevent stretch marks and also reduce appearance of existing ones. You do not have to spend on expensive anti-stretch mark creams, just the good old olive oil and you are good to go. In fact, it is all I ever used to prevent stretch marks during my pregnancies. You can mix in some few drops of essential oils that rejuvenate the skin. These include rose hip, lavender, neroli, sage, and patchouli. To apply, simply massage the oil onto moist skin. For pregnancy stretch marks, start applying olive oil on your belly the moment you find out that you are pregnant. Continue throughout the pregnancy and after childbirth. Number 7, to fight cellulite. Forget about the expensive cellulite treatments on the market. Just get hold of ground coffee and olive oil. To prepare, mix 1/4 cup ground coffee with 3 tablespoons hot water and let this mixture sit for about 10 minutes in order to form a paste. Then add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the paste and mix well. Massage the paste with your hands on affected area in circular motion for about 3 to 5 minutes, after which wash it off and moisturize. Number 8, prevent and cure diaper rash. Use olive oil on your baby's bottom to prevent or cure irritations due to the diaper. It is a very good substitute for regular diaper cream. Number 9, to treat cradle cap. Apply olive oil to your baby's scalp, leave it on for a few minutes, then brush off the flakes. Number 10, to repair cracked heels. Exfoliate heels with a pumice stone or by soaking in hot vinegar or lemon water after which apply olive oil and wear socks overnight. Number 11, as a massage oil. Use olive oil as body massage oil. You can also add a few drops of essential oil like sweet orange. You can use olive oil for baby massage, massaging your partner to promote blood circulation and relaxation. Number 12, as a lubricant. Replace that store-bought lubricant with olive oil. Not only is it safer, but also said to promote movement of the sperms to the eggs and hence promotes fertilization. However, note that olive oil should not be used with latex. Number 13, as a hair treatment. Use olive oil singly or as a mix with other oils for healthy hair. Warm olive oil in a microwave and apply it generously to your scalp and hair. Cover hair with a shower cap or any other waterproof cap and leave on the treatment for as long as you can. You can keep it warm with a hood dryer. This treatment is great for treating lice. Number 14, as a main ingredient in body or facial scrubs, mix olive oil with either sugar or sea salt to create a skin exfoliating scrub. For the body, you can use coarse sugar or salt, but for the face, make sure you use fine sugar or salt. Number 15, to soothe sunburn. Apply olive oil on sunburned areas to promote healing and skin rejuvenation. This is because it is packed with antioxidant healing properties. Number 16, to improve hair shine during styling. Rub some olive oil on flyaway ends of your hair during and after styling for an extra shine and glossy appearance. Number 17, for healthy hair. Apply olive oil to your scalp and hair to moisturize, control frizz, and prevent dandruff. Number 18, to strengthen the nails. Wet a cotton ball with olive oil and dab it on your nails. Let it stay on for as long as you can before washing it off. This is a very nice treatment before a pedicure and manicure. Number 19, to remove paint, grease, or ink from the skin or hair. Apply olive oil with a cotton ball to area with paint. Let it on for a few minutes, then wash off with soap and water. Number 20, as a furniture polish. Mix 1 cup of olive oil with half a cup lemon juice. Use a soft cloth to apply the mixture on your furniture to naturally clean and polish. 21, to stop a loud squeaky door. Apply a few drops of olive oil to the hinge of your door to enjoy the sound of silence. Number 22, as a shoe shiner. Apply some olive oil to your shoes and buff with a cloth to get clear, shiny shoes. Number 23, to clean and maintain the shine on your silverware. Simply add a few drops of olive oil to a cloth and wipe your silverware to keep them shiny. 24, to prevent freezer burn. Now, if you are a freezing freak like me, you do not want your food to get freezer burned, especially vegetables and herbs or any food that would later be cooked with oil. Simply toss some olive oil into your food before freezing. And lastly, to keep away mosquitoes. We all don't want these blood-sucking creatures anywhere around us because they carry disease-causing organisms. They lay their eggs in standing water, so if you have any standing water in your home like a rain barrel, add some olive oil to it and it will help smoother the larvae because it floats on the water. Precautions. While olive oil is beneficial in many ways, some studies suggest that if you have sensitive skin that is oily or a skin condition like dermatitis, olive oil might not be the best choice. According to one study, olive oil made certain skin conditions worse. So it is recommended to do an allergy test before using it for the skin by rubbing the oil you plan to use on your inner elbow. If you do not get an allergic reaction within 24 hours, then it should be safe to use. Another study found that using olive oil on infants from a family with a history of eczema might contribute to them developing the condition later in life. Another great alternative for sensitive skin would be coconut oil. Do you use olive oil for something I have not mentioned? I would be happy to learn about it in the comments section below. Well, that is just about it for today. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up or a comment if you have any questions, and of course subscribe for more and hit the bell button in order to get notified about all my new videos. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first. Bye bye.